What if Netflix could read your mind when you're searching for your next binge? That might not be too far off. Netflix just introduced a brand new AI-powered search tool that's about to change how you find your favorite shows and movies. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and drop a comment if you've ever spent way too long just scrolling for something to watch. So here's the deal. Netflix has officially launched a new generative AI search feature powered by OpenAI's ChatGPT. Instead of typing in specific titles or genres, users can now talk to Netflix using natural language. You could say something like, "I want something funny and upbeat," or get more specific like, "Give me something scary but not too scary, with a little humor but not over the top." This conversational discovery tool is rolling out as an opt-in beta for iOS users starting this week. Some Netflix users in Australia and New Zealand have already gotten a sneak peek, according to Bloomberg. And Netflix isn't the only one playing with AI. Amazon is using generative AI for voice search on Fire TVs, letting you ask open-ended questions about what to watch. Meanwhile, Tubi previously tested a ChatGPT-powered search feature, but it was eventually shut down, likely due to low usage. That raises an important question. Will Netflix's version actually catch on? At the same event where the search tool was revealed, Netflix also announced other AI-driven upgrades. Soon, title cards will be automatically updated in your preferred language using generative AI. The company also previewed a short-form video feed for mobile users, think TikTok meets trailers, and a redesign of its TV homepage to make browsing even smoother. Whether this new AI search will redefine streaming or fizzle out like Tubi's experiment remains to be seen. But one thing's for sure, Netflix is betting big on AI to personalize your viewing experience like never before. Want to see what other tech innovations are shaking up the streaming world? Click on the related video in the corner to find out more.